Kumusta? Natuloy na bang outing nyo magbabarkada? Ito yung tipong hindi pinaplano pero natutuloy. Kaya mas mabuti talaga pag biglaan lang. Yung tipong hindi ka talaga makakatanggi pag nandyan na sila sa bahay nyo. Kaya wala ka nang no choice kundi sumama na.
All the time,
Cargador.
anytime we'll take it.
Nagda-travel lang.
Anytime you miss the train. Alright.
Ninja. Turtle.
So dito ginabi na kami ni Mrs. sa biyahe kasi nagsarado pa kami ng tindahan. At natuwa ko dito sa aming dinadaanan kasi mayroong isang malaking TV screen na nakalagay sa isang overpass dito sa paaralan ng Labisares.
You know,
Oh, Castle Gonzales!
all the time
May clip sa kalsada, guys!
anyone will take it. All the time
Dito tayo ngayon guys sa Tapa.
they are near you.
Tapos ready na dito yung stage.
Everyone will make it.
So balik tayo dito sa tinuluyan namin. Yan si Archil, si Plapla, at doon si Chrismar, kumakanta pa ng Chicxulub. Tapos yan si Nomer, tamang review lang ng songbook. At ito naman si Cesar, tamang chill lang at chicha sa Gedli. Ito yung mga tropa ko at mga nakasama ko since college days. At hanggang ngayon nagkakasama pa rin kami. Nagbabanding kahit minsan lang. Ito matagal na namin to pinaplano na pumunta dito sa Caba Beach. Pero ngayon natuloy na kasi biglaan lang hindi pinalo. Kaya natutuloy talaga pag biglaan lang. Kaya ngayon, nabigyan kulay yung mga drawing naming plano.
Anyone will take it. All the time
Hello, guys!
they are near you.
We are
Everyone
ka ba?
will make
Kaba! Kaba! Nasaan ka ba? Nasaan ka ba? Dito ako sa Kaba. Kaba. Kaba.
all the time.
Dito na pala kami pumisto sa labas kasi sobrang presko dito tsaka ang ganda ng ambience, nakaka-relax. Minsan lang magkita-kita ang mga tropa. Kaya ngayon sinusulit namin bawat patak ng alak, bawat pintuhan, bawat tawanan, sinusulit talaga namin. Kasi minsan lang naman kami magkita-kita sa isang taon. Yung tipong hindi kayo naubusan ng kwento sa isa't isa. Kahit mabutan kayo na magdamag, tsak, walang makakapigil. Ganyan talaga pag na-miss nyo yung isa't isa na magtotropa. Kaya sinusulit talaga yung mga ganitong pagkakataon na minsan-minsan lang kayo magkita. Iba din yung saya, no? Kapag mga sulit mong tropa yung mga kasama mo. Kaya panigurado kahit magdamag kami dito, ay di kayo maubusan ng bala sa kwentuhan. Kaya ini-enjoy namin ang pagkakataon na magkakasama kami.
It gives your life a different kind of hue. Indigo, indigo, I could paint a portrait, write your poems and letters every day. Indigo, indigo, I swear you never forfeit. Every part of me I give away. Please don't go, indigo. Blue skies for the both of us. Please don't go, indigo. Blue tides running out for us. Indigo. Mystery, a sketch I could etch with my eyes shut tight. Indigo, indigo, how much can you mean to me? If I find myself missing you each night. Indigo, indigo, I promise, can you keep now? Tear up all our roots with every fight. Indigo, indigo, a future can we need now? That all the painted pain is gone and dry. Please don't go. Indigo, blue skies for the both of us. Please don't go. Indigo, blue tides running out for us. Indigo. Please don't go. Indigo, blue skies for the both of us. Please don't go. Indigo, blue tides running out for us. Indigo. Indigo, indigo, aren't you a mystery? A sketch I could etch with my acetate. Indigo, indigo, how much can you mean to me? If I find myself missing you each night. Indigo, indigo, I promise, can you keep now? Tear up all our roots with every fight. Indigo, indigo, a future can we meet now? That all the painted pain is gone and dry. Please don't go. Indigo, blue skies for the both of us.